say this sentence. The intonation in the
speaking sounds of this.
Intonation basis.
Pronunciation.
Intonation.
For
example.
Yeah, I'm talking.
For example, sometimes the people say, "How are you?" for something like that. So, what kind of intonation would we read this first sentence? Have a safe journey, like that.
Okay, yeah, no, actually that makes sense. So for this sentence, it would just be, see, this is slightly difficult because the intonation I would use kind of sounds flat compared to maybe the way an American would say it. For me, I would just say, have a safe journey.
Just like this.
Just like this, have a safe journey. Or have a safe trip.
So it based on the character of person, yeah?
Yeah.
Some person who the little bit